Find the center and the radius of each circle. This circle is x minus 4 squared plus y plus 1 squared equals 5. We need to rewrite this a little bit in the form x minus h squared, which this is already in, plus y minus k squared. So let's write this as y minus negative 1 squared equals, and this is r squared. Well, the square root of 5 is just written as the square root of 5. So let's write this as the square root of 5 squared. That's the same thing as 5. Then we can read from here that the center is 4, negative 1, and the radius is the square root of 5.